Hi everybody.
Hey y'all.
Back
Someone's
for
been
round
taking
two.
poo-poos.
Sophie's.
I'm just putting the dollar note.
Doing the
So-
dollar notes.
This is the second part of our 36
Yeah.
mystery box.
The box battle.
Alright. So,
You can go first for Mama.
I was going to say, because you went first last time.
Mama. And Mama's mum.
Pardon me. I'm behind the camera today. Hello.
They're using my embroidery scissors to open the boxes.
Don't use
I
it
think
like
that's
that.
upside down.
Flip it.
Flipping it. This is box 4.
I've got box one.
You got box what? Box 1. Box 1.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
I got box 0 because I'm not on.
Geez, you're making it hard.
Yep. I don't want to wreck my nails.
What are you looking at? Seeing if you got any new ones.
It's got a lot. I saw 3 at least.
Yep.
What new ones?
Yep.
Please don't cut any of the tops.
Eh?
I think.
Just.
Go on, you're
You're
going
first.
first.
You're first anyway.
Oh.
You're on my list first.
Trust
Mum.
Mummy, Mama.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Mum.
Michael Jordan.
MJ. Slam dunk.
From from Chicago Bulls. His Chicago Bulls jersey.
Got the NBA sticker.
Yeah.
I don't think he's worth much.
Leon's hoping.
Press on loser.
$57.
You what?
$57. I'll even show the camera. $57.
You won't be able to do that.
That's in Australian dollars as well. There, 57 Australian dollars.
What the?
Yeah, I can't show you, sorry.
Better get a chase or something or else I'm stuffed.
I'm going to add that to our collection because I'm not getting rid of that. I'm sorry.
And I've got some eyed monster.
That's the one I wanted.
Caro.
Crow.
Got a really bad glare on this camera. Did you have that before?
Doesn't matter.
Let's see if Leon
Give me
can beat
MJ.
$57.
Give me MJ.
Oh, sorry.
Racket.
$13. Mama's
Just
turn.
because he's worth a little bit of money.
Where'd you put him? Oh, up there.
Because you're special.
But, oopsie.
Oh.
Ooh.
Let me guess. That's got the celebration sticker on it.
No.
Surprise.
Mohawk
One for me anyway.
Jedha.
Yeah, but we...
Whoa, that's one for me. Heavy? Not really.
A little heavy.
It's a little heavy. Gotta go for my Star Wars ones.
$34.
You're shitting me! Come on!
Do you want me to show you the price?
No.
$34. I can say right now, Mum's already beaten my score.
Another one. This is not going to be worth much either. The way we're going, we're going to get the set. This is 3, 6, 9, 12 of them. Hey Jack.
Yeah, give me that joke.
Hey Jack is a loser.
$13. Ooh. Okay, that one's not leaving our set. No, that's not leaving. That's staying.
Black Panther.
$13.
It's mixed stroke. It's not even normal Black Panther, it's Max Strike Black Panther.
So it makes it less.
I don't know. You're hoping, but that's still not going to help you. $18.
That bit better?
No?
It's not 13.
What about your pop?
For a chase soon.
Pull your own pops.
Thor.
No, it's, well, yes, but no.
94.
Mighty Thor.
It's Jane Forrest. Forrester.
See what it's worth.
$24.
It's getting better. Kind of.
The analyst.
Sorry.
Matrix.
Have no idea.
Or maybe you should watch
Can't
the
say it's going to be one.
It's a newer pop too.
Might be a new Matrix movie coming out.
25.
Your turn.
Mrs. Marvel.
Not Mrs. Marvel. Read again.
Ms. MS.
Miss Marvel. I haven't watched that TV show yet.
Lucky someone collects Marvel pops around here sometimes.
Sometimes. Is that why you... Yeah, sometimes.
Well, we've got probably a whole shelf of the mongrel. Haven't we?
Of what?
Marvel.
I think most of them packed away.
Yeah.
Yeah, packed away, but we've got them.
I think I've got more Doctor Who somewhere too. $18. And she's still available.
Of course it is. It's got blue stickers, so it's new. Unless they've
It's because I've got a shop now sticker.
shot now.
Mum's turn.
Shock now. Come on, shock me. Pull the bloody thing out.
Scotty Pippen.
Pippen.
It's not going to be worth much.
Dad, it's an NBA pop.
Yeah.
And
I reckon it's going to be.
it's not going to be like Michael Jordan.
Probably not, but still.
I reckon maybe $40.
Yeah, all right. Let's see. 15.
Sorry.
You know, y'all, if we're in America, would like NBA, playing basketball.
15.
We
I don't know why I just put add to collection, but I did. Now we know
15
collection.
sweet. Told ya. That was a good guess, wasn't it? Whoa.
Pull your pop.
Come on. I'm going to get Michelangelo.
Hey?
I'm going to get Michelangelo. Oh,
I'm keeping it.
I am too.
I'm sorry, I'm keeping it. I'm not even giving it to Jess.
Gay Stitch.
It's not Gay Stitch.
LGBTIQ Stitch.
Pride Stitch.
That is pretty cool. Alright. Come on, I want another
Hand them
one.
over.
Looks like they stuck
Oh.
in one of them colour bars and pulled them out. And
Our Funko Pride collection is celebrating. Donation of the It Gets Better project has been given.
yeah, right. Just
It helps trans youth.
trans youth. Automatic transmission.
$18.
Violet.
Mum's last pop.
Come on, Mama. Mama's Mama.
Stop
What are you
sticky
doing?
beacon.
I'm trying to work out which way it is.
Doesn't matter.
Mandy.
Andy.
Oh, she's got some block damage. Oh no, it's quite obvious on the side. Look at the other side. Oh, it's from the whole box.
Someone's cut it.
That's okay. I don't think we collect Mandy. I don't think I've ever heard of Mandy.
Pretty cool tops.
Yeah.
Probably a mistake at the factory.
No, it's
No.
a dent. It's like someone's literally just put a...
Line through it.
Yeah. She could have had a chase. But she's only $19.
This is the Mandy.
The chase isn't worth much more.
Just pull your last part.
Yes, please. Pull your last one. Oh,
Felix.
Oh, that's cool.
And he is flocked. Flocked Felix. He's got to be worth a bit, doesn't he? Oh, he's only a new one too. Oh. Yeah. Looks pretty cool out the box, but should just keep this
What
one
do
out the
they
box pot.
what do they say when you don't get a price?
It's worth
$20.
$100.
$20? Now I've just got to calculate.
That was your last part, wasn't it? It's pretty cool.
Flocked Felix.
Mm.
Looks like Mandy's out the box.
She can stay out of the box.
She can stay out the box.
He's getting on the basketball.
Yeah, he's there somewhere. What?
We didn't know.
No?
We got we got LeBron James from the Space Jam movie.
Oh.
Space Jam.
Mum got 168, Dad got 106.
That's better than what I did last time.
Yep.
So, Leon's total
Don't worry about my total. Yeah, you may
is
as well do my total.
185.
Did you write it down?
What's that? 106? 185.
Alright, that's the end of me. I'm out of here. I didn't win. I'm not gonna win. Looks like Mama's in the box.
I think Mum's gonna win just because she got 168 already.
Yeah.
Unless I get some chases, I ain't winning.
I picked the wrong box, didn't I?
You couldn't have got number one.
No.
Sophie had it.
Alright.
Just like the next round. Sophie
Yeah.
had it.
You gonna say goodbye to him or
Oh.
you just gonna run away? Run away.
Sorry. Just tidying up.
She's not. She was gonna run away.
Okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Leave a comment.
We can't film another video either.
And we will be back next round with me and Sophie.
And I'm not gonna be here.
Bye.
Bye. Mayors later. From Bundaberg.
Yeah.